Welcome to the iLearn tutorial for advanced forum settings and options. As you add and create new forums, you may also wish to change the order. To do so, you can click on the Organize tab to easily change the order of the forums and topics listed. As the instructor, you can view forum statistics. Here, you can see how many posts students have authored and read. To do so, click on the Statistics and Grading tab. From this menu, you can click on a specific member's name for an in-depth look into their participation within forums. Please note that messages read may be an inaccurate statistic as students need to manually click Mark as Read. This view is most helpful to see posts authored and to view student contributions. You can grade students on their posts by clicking Grade and then selecting the gradebook item to associate with the forum. You can view posts, select a grade, and provide feedback comments for the students. You can adjust the permissions for the student role, such as allowing students to create a new topic or edit a post. To change permissions associated with a forum or topic, click on Forum Settings. Here, next to Student, they are listed as a contributor by default. Click on Customize to adjust permissions. You can allow students to edit or delete their own messages. Using permissions, forums can also be limited to specific groups. If you choose to use groups, be sure to change the student role to None. Next, change the group to contributor so that only the group will be able to view and edit within this forum. Once you have finished customizing the permissions for the specific roles, scroll down and click Save. These settings will be saved for the overall forum, or you can edit settings specific to individual topics.